everyone, this is Grace. So as of today, I've been quarantined for 158 days. And my brother has too because he's been working remotely from home. We only leave the house to mainly go grocery shopping or to go food. We've been so strict with this pandemic situation because our parents are older and we just don't want to risk getting them sick. So that means we haven't gone out to eat in restaurants or gone out to eat Korean barbecue in forever. So today my brother and I wanted to show you guys how to make Korean salad to eat with Korean barbecue at home. My brother is obsessed with Korean barbecue, so I'm going to let him show you guys how to make it. Recipes essentially include the same ingredients, but we didn't add any garlic, onions, or sesame seeds to ours.
Budweiser.
Enjoyed this video, and as a disclaimer, we are not Korean and we are not experts at Korean barbecue. We just thought it'd be fun to share how to make it with you guys so that you can try making it at home on your own if you feel like eating Korean barbecue. See you next time.